to solve two hammers from True Genius. Really easy. You take one end and you try to pull this piece. Piece is moving but does not come out. In that case, you try the other end. And like you can see, two pieces are coming out. Next, we need to do the same with the other end. In that case, you push here. If it's not working, you push the other side. You can see these two pieces come out. Alors, these two pieces, we have one piece, two pieces coming out. That's good. This piece, you push a few to have the piece on the left. So we have like a square opening, and you can take out this piece. One piece, you can take out the other piece. And next, you pull this piece, and like you can see, everything's fall apart. It's not too much difficult. Nobody has problem to do that. For the piece, we have this two big piece, identical. We have also this two identical piece. We have this two small piece, totally identical. We have also this two piece, identical. We have this two piece, forget the handle, and you see this part are identical, same cutout, like you can see. The only difference are in these two pieces. We have one piece with a long cutout versus a piece with a short cutout. To put back together the puzzle, we want to take one big piece, this small piece at a place here, donc cutout facing up. Next, I'm going to take this piece, cutout facing the outside. I take the other one, same, cutout facing the outside. I take another small piece, place the piece on the top. Next, I take out this big piece and I place on the top. Now, I'm going to place these two pieces. These two pieces need to be placed this way. Like you can see, we have this cutout facing us. We cannot have a piece this way or this way. That's not good. The only way is like that. Now, I'm going to place this piece on the side, cutout facing up, and this piece with the cutout facing up. I take the piece, the cutout is facing me now, and I slide the piece. And I'm going to try to grab the other piece. Okay, one is done. You do the same with the other piece. Donc, cutout is here and now facing to me. Slide the piece and going to grab the piece there in the center. One is done. I'm going to rotate the puzzle, hoping that nothing is moving. That's always the cat part. Alors, like you can see, we have a big opening on this side, enough to slide a piece like that. But we don't have the opening on the other side, and we need to make an opening. If not, we will be unable to place one of these pieces. To do it, you push here. If that does not work because you push on the other side, like you can see, we still not have the opening. Donc we need to push here. This piece is going to move to the outside. Alors this piece move, unfortunately, in the same time, I'm going to bring back the piece. Donc we have our opening here, and we have the opening on the left. We're going to take care of the opening of the left with this piece. Donc long cutout, we're going to take one of these pieces. I'm going to place the piece this way. In such way, we have these orientations. That's the right way to have these two pieces. Alors, the cutout opening will be facing the inside of the puzzle. Donc, that's part we don't have third hand. Donc, I have this piece this way. Donc, and I'm going to slide the piece here. like you can see. When it's done, I push back, I bring back the piece inside, and this I'm going to pull on the piece, need to move to the right, and I have my opening. No, I flip the puzzle. I'm going to take this piece and this piece. Like you can see, opening, and we place these two pieces together, like that. That's the orientations. And now I'm going to slide the piece inside this way. Puzzle move a few. Okay, now it's done. And that's the way to take apart and put back together Thor hammers. If you want for yourself Thor hammers from True Genius, feel free to check Puzzle Master. Link in the descriptions.